Beautiful. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel. Hello friends, this is just joking. In this video, we have a look of Enjin coin. What's the price change goes and Enjin coin? What's the high price? And what is the current status of Enjin coin in the cryptocurrencies markets? In this video, I will show you. So, as I told you in the start of this video, if you are new on my channel, so please click the subscribe button now and also press the bell icon button for new video and latest news updates. I update you every hour from a new and urgent cryptocurrencies news. As you can see now on the screen, friends. That is the live price prediction of the last one day. As you can see here, friends. Sorry, seriously, I'm talking. That is just joking for all of you for the fun. As you can see here, the change is negative. That is why I'm talking you with the funs with the joking. Negative 12.44%. What? Negative 12? Negative 12.44% chance occur in the Enjin coin in the last one day. Oh my goodness, what's the change occur in the Enjin coin? What's your impression about this change? Bring me a tea cup. Bring me a cup of coffee because my brain is not working. After looking this kind of change, my brain stops working. But let's start the video. Let's continue the video. As you can see here, the high price of Enjin coin is $3.72 is the high price of Enjin coin, and the current price, oh my god, is what is the current price? Oh, I am fully in the loss. $3.22 is the current price of Enjin coin. They are fast down. Oh my godness, oh my godness. It's reality, friends. I'm sorry to say that. If we look the chart analysis of the Enjin coin, so continues the fast down. We found it a fast down. Don't worry about this fast. Don't worry about this fast. That is a temporary fast. That is a temporary fast. Now let's see the last 1 hour where current change occur in the Enjin coin. Oh my goodness! As I told you, it's a temporary fast, friends. Don't worry about this fast. As you can see now on the screen, there is surprise for all of Enjin coin holders. Oh my god, what's this? What's going? What's going? That is a change. That is a change. Look at the friends. That is called a change. Positive 0.2%. Oh, wow. My coin is going up. My coin is. But in the last one day, the change is negative. Oh my goodness. I'm going to lose. But when we look this kind of change, we are very happy. I'm not so happy because I'm also a holder of Enjin coin. Anyways, the high price of Enjin coin is a very less, but soon they are goes upward. And my suggestion, I hope they hit $4 in after 2 hours. 3.22%, $3.22 is the high price of Enjin coin in the last 1 hour, friends. Remember that is the last 1 hour price prediction, and that is the current price prediction at this time, which is okay now Enjin coin. As you can see here, now they are also in the jumping mood. They are in the explosion mood. So that is why my suggestion for all of you, that if you are a holder of Enjin coin, so please enjoy it. And my suggestion for you to please hold your Enjin coin. I'm not a financial advisor, but that is only my suggestion for you, that if you want to make money, a high amount of money, so hold it, because the big explosion and the pump are coming soon of Enjin coin. So wait for it. Hold your Enjin coin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Yeah, please remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel, and press the like button for this kind of joking. Thank you so much.